so much better on this side. How we living?
Bro.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Bro, what are you doing?
Trying to be a rapper like you, bro.
It's 3 a.m., dog.
Yeah, that's prime recording hours, bro.
Get you mad, but you going out so sad.
You need me, I might not be there for you.
Y'all already saw the intro, and today's video, I'm trying to become a rapper just like my boy here. Well, I mean, an artist just like my boy here.
So we aiming for artistry, you know what I'm saying?
This is my homie LUM. He's the artist that will be helping with today's video. Here's some of his work.
What's good, y'all? We're at the show currently outside. Be Savage.
Yeah, so it's currently like midnight, and the plan is we want to bust out a song and a video all in like the next 3-hour span, if that's possible.
Yeah, let's do it.
And yeah, we're gonna be using my iPhone, a pair of headphones, and Bandlab. That's literally it.
That's what you gotta do. Sometimes work with what you got. So that's what we're doing today. We're working with what we got.
It's already late, so let's not waste any more time. So let's go ahead and get into the beat selection. All right, so we basically selected 4 beats off camera, and we're gonna play them for y'all. And that's really it. We just gotta get to it and start trying to make the track as fast as we can. All right, this is beat number 1.
That's fair.
All right, that was the first beat. How do you feel about it?
It was alright. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
Nah, I feel the same way. It was just a little too stagnant. Like it needed some.
It needed a little oomph.
That's exactly what I was gonna say. Literally, just a little bit of oregano, some spice, or something. Nah, this is nasty. Yo, this is nasty. Nah, that's a good beat. That was a good beat for sure. That's number 1 right now. Out of the 2, is number 1.
It sound like the ocean and the waves and the beach.
Go ahead, set everything. Give me the setting.
It sound like the sun. It sound like I see some white stallions even on the beach. Sounds unrealistic, but I see it. You feel me? Drums compliment this crazy.
I feel like this is out my pace.
Yeah, it's a little bit slower for sure.
Tough beat
I mess
though.
with it though, yeah, facts.
I really like the atmosphere. I rock this one heavy. I think this one might be my favorite. I'm not gonna lie.
Facts. The beat was so hard I dropped my phone.
Yeah, I don't know about you, but I feel like out of the 4 we just heard, that 4th one is my favorite.
I think that was the one for sure. Do it.
All right.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna go ahead and load the track up into Bandlab, and I guess we're just gonna get started with this whole process.
Yup.
Let's go.
Let's get on it.
Now what you're about to see us do is basically just lay down some melodies and get somewhat of a bass going for the song. This is how LUM usually records, and as he said, a ton of other artists. I think this is the best way to speed up the process of making this song. It is a spacey beat, so melodies will likely come first, and then once we have that down, we're just gonna try and freestyle the lyrics. Who knows how my performance is gonna turn out, but I guess y'all have to see. Bro, that was your first take. Like, how are you about to just say that like that was regular? Like, I didn't even hear it in ear, and I'm assuming that shit sounds crazy. I am not a rapper. Alright, let's do it.
Bring it back, baby, go where you at.
That's all I'm doing. I really didn't want to do too much. Now it's time to get some lyrics down and create the final song. You're the professional artist, bro. I'm the professional Bandlabber.
For real, bro. Like, it's actually helping me learn this, for real.
Oh yeah, G. Just live your life, just live your life, just live your life. without you. Because I'm deep in these trenches, only think about you in the wind.
I let me breathe. I said that we don't go. Now, by the time we finished recording this song, it was about 2:30 in the morning. Mind you, I did pick up LUM, which was about a 40-minute drive one way, meaning we had to finish this music video as fast as possible. Now, keeping that in mind, I used all the resources I had in hand. I'm a content creator. I used to film music videos, and I can do everything pretty quickly. We used as much as my bedroom as we could in a short amount of time and finished filming all the clips that we needed for this music video in under an hour. Unfortunately, it's about 5 in the morning right now, and I have no energy to go through those clips. So I'm gonna head to bed and then speed edit this music video tomorrow morning. And the next time you guys see me, I guess I'll be an artist? I'm happy to say the music video is finally finished. I wish I had LUM over here to react to the video with me, but I did send it over to him and he essentially sent me 2 texts saying, this is crazy and it's ready to drop. Recording the song took about 2 hours, making the music video about an hour in filming, and I spent about 6 hours editing. So I spent almost 10 hours just to get this song and music video finished for you guys. But without further ado, the song and music video is out now. And here's a sneak peek of the final product.
Everything's likely I get used to it. Everything's likely I get used to it. Used to it. Used to it. I can get used to it. Used to it. Used to it. Used to it. Oh yeah, G. Used to it. She said just live your life. It don't feel right. Without you, because I'm deep in these trenches, only think about you and win.
Now that is all I can show you for the sneak peek, but if you want to hear the full song or see the full music video, it is posted right now on my YouTube page, which I will leave the link for in the description below. Special thanks to LUM for helping me with this video because him and his girlfriend helped a ton to make this even happen. And obviously I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well because I really had to get outside my comfort zone and get super creative to make this happen. But if you guys would like to see some more content from myself, please make sure to subscribe. And if you want to check out the one other Bandlab video that I did about 2 years ago, make sure to click right here. Music is definitely not my main focus, but if you'd like to see some more content like this from me, please make sure to let me know in the comments below. And as always, make sure to have a good day. Peace.
She said just live your life, it don't feel right without you, because I'm deep in these trenches, only think about you.